So today I'm going to be having a quick chat with Darragh Maloney, RTÉ broadcaster, who's going to show me the ropes and behind the scenes on a match day here at the Aviva.
So Patrick, you're very welcome. This will be my office for the Ireland-Finland match.
Ebeselli trying to get in around the back, and he has. Cullen with the ball. This is much better from Ireland.
So what would the technical setup be in terms up here?
Okay, well look, you've seen all the monitors. These are our kind of commentary consoles, so I can hear myself. The program is what's going out on air. The producer is talking in my ear at times saying, look, we need you to do this, need you to do that.
Yeah.
And then the director is the person who's actually directing the match. So the pictures that you see on TV, he or she will have decided, right, go to camera 3, go to camera 2.
Yeah.
So the one thing about all of this is, like, I'm one person in a team probably of about 60 people who are working on this game, maybe more.
And how about like the microphones themselves? Like,
yeah, it's called a lip ribbon. So what you do with it is you rest this bit on your lip here, and it gives a really good sound. It's a much better sound. You know, they're the industry standard. They are the best. You forget it's there. It's an extension of what you're doing. In terms of what I've got to do, like, I've Ronnie Whelan with me. Ronnie's the expert. Ronnie's the guy who played for Ireland. Ronnie's the guy who won league championships and European Cups with Liverpool. I didn't. I wish I did. In my dreams I did, but I didn't. So I would feel my role as the commentator is to say who's got the ball, what time it is. If somebody scores, do a bit of shouting and roaring.
Decent delivery, goal! Evan Ferguson!
People can see what's there. They're watching the game. So you're trying to be an aid to their experience of watching it, because you're here and they're not.
Evan Ferguson gets his 4th goal for his country, and it couldn't have come at a better time.
so do you think I could give it a go with the lip ribbon?
Absolutely, I think you should. So you have a number of images here of the players, just they're out on the pitch.
Yeah.
One of the phrases we use is say what you see. So describe what you see. Have a go at it.
This is huge for Patrick. A shot at his very own mic and in front of thousands of fans. Will he deliver, or is the moment just too much?
So here tonight at the Aviva Stadium on a Thursday night, we're here for Ireland versus Finland in the UEFA Nations League qualifiers. It's a huge game for Ireland tonight, as if they win, they have a great chance of making it through to the qualifiers. So on the pitch currently we have Darragh, O'Shea and all the other lads just walking around, getting a feel for the surface.
Do you want to do the commentary and I'll head off? I'll just watch. I got a nice, warm, comfortable seat downstairs and you go at it.
That was unbelievable. I think it's one of the best things I've ever done and one of the proudest moments of my life so far. Thank you so much, Darragh. It's been a pleasure.
You're a gent. We'll see you here in a few years, okay?
Oh, yeah.
We believe you when you say that, Darragh. He might be coming for your seat after all.